dominate myself with it. Take it away, take it away. And now we're hugging, covering the moon.
Buy me a pistol shade, please let me explain. Buy me a pistol shade, it means you're grand. Buy me a pistol shade, again I'll explain. It means you're the fairest in the land.